Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to JRV video. Today we're doing another free headlight restoration for the community. Stay tuned, watch until the end. You see how the difference is before and after. Do you want to get started? All right, let's get started. All right guys, let's get the first step going. Marcus is gonna help me with the lights. All right, you know what time it is? It's wax time. Again, smear it on. Okay. Waxing time. Okay, let's see. Wait, hold on, Marcus. Okay, you wanna explain to people what are you doing? What's the purpose of waxing?
Mother's wax. Mother's wax. East California, gold.
It's Marcus doing that. I'm gonna polish the other headlight.
Oh, look at that shine, guys. Look at that shine.
What do you guys think? Do you guys think Marcus did a good job waxing this?
Leave a comment in the comment section.
I said he did.
What?
He did a pretty good job waxing the headlight. And I didn't see any extra wax around it. Good job, Marcus. All right, now see what Marcus is doing on this side. He's doing the same thing, waxing it. Looks like we got a dancer over here. Shake that booty. Alright, so what you guys want to do is, this is what I like to use after I polish it, is to get the mother's wax, or you could get the chemical guys, the instant wax. Okay, those both work pretty good. This one is a little bit more old school and it's more concentrated. This one is concentrated too, but it's a lot faster. You will see.
Can I try to use? Can
Sure.
I spray that on?
Okay, shake it, spray it on.
Spray it. How
Spray
many?
it on.
Just like that.
Just 3 spray. Far a little bit, far.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. So as you can see, Marcus just sprayed it on.
It looks like mayonnaise.
Yeah. Okay, let's go
Yeah.
wipe it.
Yeah.
Do a circular. There you go.
Wow. That looks like
Is
wax.
that better?
Looks
That's
like
better, huh?
wax.
Okay.
And it smells like yogurt.
Yeah, it does smell good.
So, but now it looks blurry.
Okay, now use this to clean it
Okay.
because there's still wax in there. There you go.
Whoa.
Isn't it that way better?
Yeah.
Good
It's better than
job.
before. Okay, let's try this side now.
Okay. Now Daddy's turn on this side. Okay, can I have that towel?
Now watch my dad shake his booty.
I like to wax, 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 wax.
Another booty shaker.
Wax, 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 wax. All right, so that looks kind of blurry. So there you go. Wax it off. It's also a lot more smooth when you use that chemical guy bottle.
Really?
Yeah, spill it.
Whoa.
Yeah. All right. Now, what time it is, Marcus?
Showing time.
It's cleanup time.
Are you guys ready to see the headlights now? Yeah.
There you go. That's an after the polishing.
Okay. That was good. Good.
There you go. So what do you guys think? Is this a good? Give us a thumbs up and comment below. Watch that we have one more trick that I want to show you guys. All right, so if you notice a lot of cars on the handle, there's a lot of scratches, and it's just normal because every day you opening up your doors, you know, obviously with your hand, and your fingernails be scratching your door handle. And today I'm gonna show you guys how to take that off. Actually, not just me, Marcus will show you guys how to take it off, and this is his first time doing it, and we'll see how good of a job he will do. And AUO, let's let him show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the scratches. Let's go. So you can see all these scratches in here. All right, you
Yep.
see all that stuff? Now Marcus is gonna show you how to do it. So Marcus, what you wanna do is put this, just put a little bit wax
Wax.
or polish compound here.
That's.
Okay, that's too much.
Oops.
Okay, that's fine. We can, so what we could do is, here, hold this. Hold it. No, just hold your finger right here.
Whoa.
Hold it this way.
It feels.
Okay, hold it that way. Put your finger right there. Now you want to wipe it a little bit here. Just tap it in there, inside, from the bottom. From the bottom. Okay, now take it off.
Ah.
Okay, now go to this side. You can see all. One. Okay, now right here, as you guys can see, there's some polishing scratch. Now let's go ahead and do that one. Polish it.
How do you do it?
Go back and forth, rub it just like you're waxing it. Okay, there you go. You can see. Okay, it's done. As you can see, no more scratches.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Okay, hold on a second, Marcus. Shadow. There you go. Okay, Marcus is gonna do it now. Let's go, Marcus. Okay, you can see. Done. You see that? No more scratches. All right, Marcus is getting Alex out, and we're gonna see her reaction. Even though she doesn't want to be in the camera, but let's see what she say. They didn't cover everything, but there you go.
Oh, wow.
You can see this side and that side.
Wow, what a difference.
Yeah, it's a big difference.
Oh, yeah.
Now you don't even have to pay a dime for it,
No,
and
you
you don't have to buy a new headlight.
And that was my next option.
Yeah, a lot of people, like they always think that they have to replace the headlight, but you don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's always tricks to get around it. So what we also did extra was, let me show you a little, so a lot of door handle with a lot of scratches here.
Yeah.
We remove all the scratches for you. Every single door handle.
Oh, wow.
And Marcus did it.
Nice
That's his first time doing it too. So did a pretty good job. Remove all the, so all those scratches is from
Yeah,
nails.
because every time you grab the door.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So clear.
Wow, that's awesome.
Okay.
That looks great.
Awesome. Now I just
Good
want to
job.
confirm, did I charge you anything?
No.
I didn't charge you anything, so that's good.
Yes,
You didn't have to pay for a dime. Great, awesome. Well,
appreciate
thanks for letting us stop by
Good job.
and help out with this. But yeah, you can see
you.
both sides.
Thank you for helping.
Yeah.
This is awesome that you did this.
Yeah, I'm trying to, we're trying to, one, is helping the community. Second, showing the kids like how to give instead of take. So that's is always a bonus.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
and just on that part, it's already like, I'm already getting everything back,
Yeah.
So,
That's true.
and all this, the time that we spend is totally worth it.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes, it
so
is. Good job.
good job, Marcus. High five. High five. Yay,
Good job.
good job. Let's take a quick video on the last. All right, let's take the last video and then we're gonna get going. Sweet.